Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is a YouTube learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to check rows dataset in Jupyter interactive computing environment with Python. So for this case I will go to the thing platform, or I can tell the notebooks here. Before that we have to import the pandas, numpy, the things, the again also the things dataset, and the dataset this is .csv file, also screening this thing allow. Now I will I want to check the thing what the row, I can explain it how many row it has been revealed here. So here the variable that holds the artisan screen .csv file dataset. So now I will play the only dataset here, and the thing has been here. I can play the or run this thing. See, there have 704, that means the 704 row has been included in this here. Reveal these things, actually the thing is, see, again I can check the things, the dot, if I give the info, then what? See, info that has been data's column, see a range index also I can check from the here, and it has been counted from the 0 to 1. And remember it, computer knows only 0 and 1, and it's always count from start the 0, not 1, only 0. See, in this way we can do these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.